A blessed day, dear learners. Welcome to Teacher Lumaban's YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting video planned where we will delve into the fascinating world of mastering divisibility rules. Quick guidelines for efficient math. Get ready to embark on a learning journey filled with knowledge and enjoyment. Before we begin, I want to emphasize the importance of safety, so please take care of yourselves as we progress through this enriching session. May you always be blessed and guided by the divine. Let's start the lesson and make the most of this valuable opportunity to expand our understanding together. Happy learning.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Divisibility rules are fundamental guidelines in mathematics employed to determine whether one number is divisible by another without executing the actual division operation. They offer efficient shortcuts for promptly assessing divisibility and identifying factors of numbers. Let's explore a comprehensive breakdown of widely used divisibility rules. Ang mga panuntunan sa divisibility ay mga pangunahing patnubay sa matematika na ginagamit upang matukoy kung ang isang numero ay mahahati ng isa nang hindi isinasagawa ang aktwal na operasyon ng paghahati. Nag-aalok sila ng mahusay na mga shortcut para sa agarang pagtatasa ng divisibility at pagtukoy ng mga salik ng mga numero. Tuklasin natin ang isang komprehensibong breakdown ng malawakang ginagamit ng mga panuntunan sa divisibility.
Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Example, numbers like 12, 24, 36, 48, and 50 are all divisible by 2. Note, all even numbers adhere to the divisibility rule for 2. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of a number's digits is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. Example, the number 123 is divisible by 3 since 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. Even if some digits are individually divisible by 3, the number may not be divisible by 3. For instance, 129 is not divisible by 3, 1 plus 2 plus 9 equals 12, and 12 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the two-digit number formed by its last two digits, tens and units place, is divisible by 4. Example, the number 1234 is divisible by 4 because 34 is divisible by 4. Note, a number's last digit being divisible by 4 doesn't guarantee the number's divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. Example, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 are all divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by both 2 and 3 if it satisfies both their divisibility rules. Example, numbers like 12 and 36 are divisible by 6 since they comply with the rules for both 2 and 3. Note, all numbers divisible by 6 are also divisible by 2 and 3. Divisibility by 7. No simple rule exists for divisibility by 7. There are more complex rules, but they are not commonly used. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the three-digit number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. Example, the number 123,456 is divisible by 8 because 56 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of a number's digits is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Example, the number 123 is divisible by 9 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. Divisibility by 11. To check divisibility by 11, calculate the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and even places. If the result is divisible by 11, including 0, then the original number is divisible by 11. While these rules offer efficient ways to check divisibility, they are not a substitute for actual division. They are particularly helpful for mental calculations, quick assessments, and understanding number properties. Moreover, these rules can be combined for certain numbers. For example, a number divisible by 12 must satisfy both the rules for divisibility by 3 and 4. These rules provide insights into number properties, enabling faster arithmetic calculations. However, for larger or more complex numbers, these rules might not always be practical, and actual division may be necessary to confirm divisibility. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic about basic content outline for mathematics major. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.